All right, it's on.
All right. Welcome to the startup floor. This is where we first bring companies in, and it's an open environment so they have a chance to communicate amongst each other, to share ideas, best practices, what have you. It's intentionally open for that reason and more, but please, come with me. It's a large space. We're 70,000 square feet, 6,500 square meters. We can hold up to 500 entrepreneurs here on site, but we're brand new. We just started in September, and already we have 70 companies here on site.